Hello, my name is Gabriela Ore. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I am a queer archaeologist. That means that part of my research is related to queer archaeology and also that I am a queer person. Queer archaeology is not the study of gays in the past. So let's figure what actually archaeology is, and then we'll go to talk about queer archaeology later. Archaeology is the study of past societies through material culture. That means that archaeologists, when they go excavations, they recover material culture, they recover things, objects. So we try to reconstruct the past to the study of objects. So whatever interpretation we can make about a particular society is through this set of objects. But we also go to archaeological excavations with our own bias. Every time we study a different society or a society that is not our own, we need to be very careful when we try to apply our own bias to what we are actually seeing on the archaeological record. In that sense, what is queer archaeology then? It's the study of past societies through a queer lens. And that actually means that archaeologists study the past, being very careful of their own bias and especially of our own binaries. For example, men and women, female and male, gay or straight, poor or rich. We go to examine our own archaeological interpretation to those lenses, always trying to find binaries in everything. And not only that, we try, especially, we tend to understand societies through the lenses of our own heteronormative way of understanding the world, because we cannot assume that things were exactly as we think they are now. And it's true that now we have a broader understanding of sex, gender, and sexuality, very different to or even 10 years ago. So that means that archaeologists 10, 20 years ago, when faced to an archaeological context, were not going to ever mention that it might be an alternative family than a different type of family than a heteronormative one. All those questions need to be always in our mind in order to understand the archaeological record in a better way, in order to avoid making assumptions and trying to put our own bias on the archaeological context we are trying to study. So with those things in mind, I invite you to go over the different modules and try to learn as much as you can and make all the questions you have, because this is going to be really fun and really interesting to try to play archaeologists. See you soon. Bye.